B. Today I will work on PowerPoint to make the presentation. So let's start. Firstly, we have to go to the PowerPoint and go to the Design tab and select the theme. There are many themes. For example, Apex, Aspect, Civic, Concourse, etc. I will select Apex theme. For changing the colors, we have to go to the colors option and select the colors. There are many colors. For example, blue, grey, brown, etc. I will select blue color. We can also select the background styles. There are plain and the many fits. I will select this style number 11. Now we have to go to the Home tab and click for the title. You can select which you want. I want to select for the festivals. Now I have to change its font, color, etc. Firstly, we have to select the text and from the theme colors option we can select the colors. I will select red color. For font, select the text and select the font. There are many fonts, for example, Allergian, Arial Black, Bondoni Empty Black, Calberry, etc. I will select Allergian font. For increasing and decreasing size, if you have to increase the size, go to increase font size option and increase the size. For decreasing, go to decrease font size option. For the suitable text, you have to click the suitable option and what you have to type that. Now I have typed the suitable text. If you want to change the position, you can also do that. I want to change the position for the title. For that, we have to go to the that area and select. There will be 4 arrows displayed on the screen. Hold the mouse buttons and drag to move it. I want to adjust the position of the title here. Now I have to change the position for the suitable text. I will go in that area and click. There will be 4 arrows displayed on the screen. Drag it and move where you want. After that, go to Insert and Smart Art. Here you have many graphics. You can also choose the colors, add the shapes. I have selected the graphic from the Smart Art. And now I am writing the text. But before that, we can also change the color. We have to go to the change colors option and change the color. You can also scroll for more colors. I will select red color. Then I am writing the text. Now I have typed the text. You can also add the picture in the graphics. After clicking this picture option, these are the sample pictures. I will take the picture for tulips and click on insert option. You can change the size also for the picture. You can also change the position of graphics with these 4 arrows. You can also change the size by increasing and decreasing from these 2 arrows. In the presentation, we can also increase the number of slides by going to this area and click on the first slide and press the enter key. In the layout option, you can also change the layouts. If you want blank slide, you can also click the blank. Now you can type or add some pictures in the next slide. After preparing number of slides to make presentation better, we will add the effects. For effects, go to Animations tab, click on Custom Animation, select the effect from here. I will select this effect. In the Custom Animation toolbar, there are many effects. So firstly, select the text, click to add effect, and then add your effect which you want. You can also increase and decrease speed from the speed option. You can also select the direction. I have selected from the bottom direction. Now my slideshow is ready to watch. Enjoy this. Thank you. I hope you like my presentation. It may be helpful.